Wise card payment declined. Fix. A Wise card payment can be declined for a few common reasons. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. Step 1. Check your balance. Make sure you have enough money in the correct currency. Step 2. Check card settings. Go to card settings in the Wise app and make sure payments are enabled. Step 3. Check merchant or country restrictions. Try using the card with another website to rule this out. Step 4. Check for security blocks. Look for alerts in the app in case Wise blocked the card. Step 5. Update or re-add the card. Remove and add the card again or use a new virtual card. Step 6. Contact Wise support. If the issue continues, contact Wise support through the app. Tips: use the correct currency, keep notifications on, and use virtual cards for online payments. And that's it! You now know how to fix a Wise card payment declined.